Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is an unboxing of the PlayStation charger for the Sense controllers. So I got this yesterday for my birthday. Yay, I leveled up. I'm not gonna tell you how old I am. So let's get into the box if we can. So yeah, I've been waiting for these to arrive. Well, I haven't. My wife got me them, but I tried. I tried ordering them with my VR, but they were out of stock, and they've been out of stock for a while. So obviously, she managed to get them in and ordered quickly. So it just looks like average cardboard, but let's jump inside. So here we have the little clips that go into the controller that get stuck inside the charger. So there we are. This is them. So we'll just pop that out. Oh, I forgot my controllers. I will need to go get them in a second. So this is the little adapter that goes in to the controller, and then this bit here, wait, what am I here? That bit attaches to the charger. So we'll put them up there out of the way, and then we'll find out what else is in the box. We have the obligatory how-to manual, and then this is the charger. So it's your basic kettle end plug there, and this is the other end for your millimeter jack charger. So these two just slide in there, and because it's your basic kettle plug, I'm guessing if you lose this or your fuse goes, just switch it with another basic kettle end plug and you're good to go. So this is the plug, the power adapter, and then I'm guessing this is the cardboard. This is the main event, as they would say. It's very basic, quite heavy actually. Quite heavy indeed, very, now if I was to balance it, let me see if I can, it's kind of very top heavy, you would say. Very heavy here. So I'm guessing this is for all the, yeah, because if you can see, let me see if I can show you properly on the camera. There's the wee ports there that you put the charger into. And here is the power adapter. You just slide yay in there, like so. 2 seconds, I'll go and get the controllers. Here we are, and I'm back with the controllers, and there's the little adapter that you just, where's the hole there? Just get the little adapter and pop, see? Just clip that in there, that's one. And then number two, same thing in there. You see? so it kind of gives it that little extension. I still think out of all the controllers I've had, I think these are the best. They're certainly the lightest and feel more comfortable. So maybe if you're designing a hand grip, you should take from these. Right, where are we? So there is the slot at the back. So apparently you just got to pop them in as you would be holding them. So that's one in. And then take this out of the way. And number 2. Oh, wait a second. You see this okay? There. Perfect. This is how it sits. Oh. Coming from the... So, if you had it on a unit, you'd be looking at it this way. Controller's facing... Well, the box of the controller's facing out. And the... Hold on, alright. The thumbsticks facing in the way. So yeah, this one, and it's easy to fit in, just triggers fit into, it's quite handy actually. If you can see these ridges here, this is where the triggers go in. So it actually just guides in for you. So if you're like, oh man, they need charged, you just slip them in like that. And bingo. So this has been an unboxing of my birthday present. Go me for making it through another year. So I'm still to use it, see how long it takes to fully charge them, and see if it charges equally, because I've been hearing in the comments in a Facebook group that sometimes they don't charge fully, they don't charge equally, but I will give it a go and I will report back. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.